Hello, my name is Bernard Yu of Avantel Networks, and this is a quick bite of data deduplication. Data deduplication is a specialized data compression technique that eliminates duplicate copies of repeating data. I'll be talking about the difference of file level and block level data deduplication. So let's begin. Understanding file level deduplication. Suppose Betty, Oliver, and Brian have a video file called AB. Because there are 3 copies, they want to store it on the data center. Now, you want to protect that data on the data center, whether it be a storage or backup solution. The product that you purchase should recognize everyone has the same file and therefore keep only one version of that file onto the data center. Now, this technique will improve storage utilization and reduce the amount of storage needed for a given set of files. What happens when Brian makes a modification of that file and labels it BC? Well, when he puts it onto the data center will recognize that this is a different set, completely different set of files, or a file. Now, the data center now has to protect 2 versions of the video. And because of this, Betty and Oliver will still reference this one version, whereas Brian will reference that version, the BC version. And that is file level deduplication. Block level deduplication. Given the previous scenario, if we had that video AV file broken into blocks, blocks 1, blocks 2, 3, and 4. Suppose that Brian decides to make a change on that video file. And stores it at the data center. Well, the result that all 4 blocks will still stay there, and only Brian's 5th block will be added. So for Betty and Oliver, the original AV file is still 1, 2, 3, 4, whereas Brian's is 1, 2, 3, and 5. This results that all 4 blocks still stay at the data center. We just added a 5th block, and the resulting is a smaller footprint because we only have to add that single block for the file. So what's the difference between block and file level storage? Well, if the AV file was 4 megabytes in size, and each cell was 1 megabyte in size, we can say that in the data center, we've occupied 4 megabytes. Now, if Brian makes a modification to the same file, that new block will reappear at the data center. So the result would be 5 megabytes. Now, at the file level, if Brian made that exact modification, we'd have to have 2 copies. And therefore, the result will be 8 megabytes occupied. As you can see, the differences between block and file level deduplication. Now that you got a better understanding with deduplication at the block and file level, I'd like to thank you for viewing this quick bite video, and I hope that this has been informative. For any questions, please visit us at www.avantel.com. Thank you.